Instagram followers count freeze easily and fast. Fix it. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is open the settings and then open the apps manager. Go to the apps like this. Go to the Instagram app. Right here you will find all the app informations as you can see. All what you have to do here is click on the permissions and then make sure that all the permissions right here are enabled. Go back, click on the force stop and then click on the storage, click on the clear data, click on the power usage details and disable the power consumption alert and then enable it again. That's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.